What's up, everybody? This is Torrance Davis Daily, and today we're going to be unboxing the Olight ArkPro. Rethink light, reimagine style. Shout out to Olight for sponsoring this unboxing and the upcoming review of this flashlight. First, let's get this thing open. Oh, there we go. They had an event at CES and this light was there. Let's see here. We got the quick start guide. It's an instructional video. It's got different colors. So it's got white, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. All different kinds of modes. Regular, pure flood, spot, turbo, high, low, moonlight, strobe. It's got a laser mode. Just all kinds of cool stuff. All right. So there's our USB cable. And look at that. It's wireless charging. That's cool. Ooh, solid piece of equipment here. So this is a quick guide to show you all the buttons, what they mean. So, oh, you know, I didn't smell the manual. There we go. All right. Center button, rotate selector, spot, UV, USB, and laser beam. Okay. Here it is. Charge to activate before first use. This is a flashlight unlike any other flashlight I've ever used. If a streak appears around the laser dot, gently clean glass with cloth. Okay. Oh, so you can see there are the different types of light sources. Okay. I know it says to charge it, but let's see if I can turn it on. So this is, you turn this to adjust the different lights, and there's the power button. Yeah, it definitely needs a charge. So there it is. I'm going to plug it in, charge it, and you'll see a review of this coming soon on Davis Daily. Peace out.